watching this video, please like and subscribe and follow.
A few moments later.
Ito muna tayo ngayon guys. So, ayan o, bumilita muna tayo ngayon guys ng coffee jelly guys. Ayan. Guys, so coffee jelly. Ayan. Sarap nito guys, coffee jelly. Baga guys, sarap. Ba? Ice coffee ko lamang kayo dyan guys. So, sarap guys. Ice coffee ko lamang guys. Yun o, guys o. Sobrang sarap guys oh. Ice coffee ko laman. Ayan guys oh. Sarap guys. Dito ako lagi guys, nagme-menda sa likod guys eh. Kasi malamig dito guys. Eh pag nasa ano guys, sobrang init guys eh. Ay dito. Guys. Thank you.